Alright guys, I'm going to run down these. These were 7 questions, very similar to the ones that you got on the Khan Academy practice where you had to do 7 problems. Very quickly, we'll run this down. First thing, step 1, circle your term with the variable. Then add or subtract to get the variable by itself. So in this case, it's a negative 7. I'm going to do the inverse, which is minusing 7, or adding 7, excuse me. I'm going to add 7 to both sides. I get 48 is equal to 12d. Now, to get d by itself, I'm going to do the inverse of multiplying by 12. So the inverse of multiplying by 12 is dividing by 12. You should get 4 is equal to d. There's the first one. The next one that I got, circle the term that has the variable in it. I'm going to do the inverse to get rid of a positive 7. I'm going to minus 7 on both sides. That gives me j over negative 2 is equal to negative 19. I'm going to do the inverse of dividing by negative 2, which is multiplying by negative 2. This is going to be j is equal to, a negative times a negative is a positive. 19 doubled is going to be 38 positive. This third one I have to distribute the 9. So I'm going to go 9 times p, which is 9p. And 9 times negative 4 is negative 36. Is equal to negative 18. Circle the term that has the variable. So I've got 9p circled. To get rid of a negative 36, I'm going to do the inverse, which is I'm going to add 36 to both sides. This is going to be 9p is equal to positive 18. Divide both sides by 9. To get my variable by itself, I get p is equal to 2. On the fourth one that I got, I'm going to distribute. 3 times q is 3q. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21, is equal to positive 27. Now I'm going to perform the inverse to get rid of negative 21. The inverse of minusing 21 is adding 21 to both sides. That's going to give me 3q is equal to 48. And then, to get q by itself, I'm going to do the inverse of multiplying by 3. I'm going to divide by 3. I get q is equal to 16, I believe. Alright, number 5. I'm going to circle the term with the variable, 7n, and then I need to get rid of this minus 4. The inverse of minus 4 is adding 4. Do that to both sides. I get 7n is equal to 35. Now, I need to do the inverse of multiplying by 7. The inverse of multiplying by 7 is dividing by 7. Do that to both sides. I get n is equal to positive 5. 2 more to go. This one here, we're going to have to distribute first. So we're going to take negative 7 and we're going to distribute it. So I got 42 is equal to negative 7 times z is negative 7z. Negative 7 times negative 3, negative times a negative is positive 21. Now I'm going to circle my term with the variable, and I need to get rid of a positive 21. So the inverse, plus 21, is minus 21. This is going to give me 21 is equal to negative 7z. Now we're going to do the inverse of multiplying by negative 7. The inverse of multiplying by negative 7 is dividing by negative 7. I'm going to get negative 3 is equal to z. One more to go. And on this last one, I'm going to circle my term with the variable. I need to get rid of positive 7. I'm going to minus 7 from both sides. That's going to give me negative 11b is equal to 33. And then I'm going to divide by negative 11. I get b is equal to negative 3. And that's how you do those 7 questions that were on the Kahn Academy 2-step practice.